Tip 1, Top 10 Most Powerful Video Marketing Tips to Grow Your Business. Social media. Tip number 1, pick your primary platform. Where will you be sharing most of your videos? YouTube? LinkedIn? Instagram? Facebook? Pick one to get started with. Granted, it's fine to share videos on multiple platforms. In fact, you probably should for maximum exposure. But video marketing is more than just publishing new videos. If you really want to succeed, it's important to also engage with those who watch the videos. If you create a compelling video, people will comment on it. In turn, you need to respond to those comments and create a conversation between you and your viewers. The more comments and views the video receives, the more exposure it will get, because social media platforms give preference to content that is getting a lot of engagement. If you spread yourself too thin across multiple platforms, it will be difficult for you to engage with everyone. Your video will end up getting far less exposure than it would if you dedicated yourself primarily to one or two platforms. So, how do you pick your platform? It's really about knowing where your audience spends most of their time. In other words, what platform do your customers use the most? If you're in the B2B world and looking to connect with other professionals, you may want to focus on LinkedIn. If you're selling to millennials, Instagram and YouTube are probably good options. If your audience is slightly older, Facebook is probably your best bet. If you don't know which platform your audience prefers, just go with Facebook. It's the largest social media platform in the world, and you can be sure that your customers use it. Stay tuned for more helpful videos covering marketing, social media and other business tips coming soon. If you like our videos and find them valuable, please follow us on our YouTube channel Digital Promotion New Braunfels and our website at digitalpromotionsnewbraunfels.com. Like, comment and share the videos and subscribe to our channel.